We made it to the ferry building, and that's the Bay Bridge behind us. And we're gonna go get some dumplings.
Super excited.
And then we'll probably get something really sweet, and then something really savory. Okay.
It's an oyster.
It's a good oyster. Best video I've ever watched.
Oh, wrong way, wrong way.
Main Shandong stinks.
Agreed.
$35 extra to go to the party side.
I don't know, the party side looks pretty lit.
Looks pretty lame if you ask me.
It looks pretty lit. Look at all that.
So we just ate at Michael Curatelli's Bottega in Yanceville. Stole a parasol.
From a wedding.
Have no food shots, and I'm not sorry about it because I was too busy eating. Got asked to leave the French Laundry, one of Thomas Keller's joints, arguably one of the best American restaurants. And now we're walking back to our car. Yeah, that's what you missed.
Okay.
We are on the bus, and we're gonna be taking it over to Chinatown. And we're the only ones on the bus. Look at that.
It's true. It's us.
Just
On
us.
the bus.
We went to the Palace of Fine Arts, and it was really nice. It was so nice. And Amanda laid little kisses on my lips.
Annie.
Alright, and now we got some Szechuan ribs. Do you want me to eat it first?
Yes.
Here.
Oh, this is awkward. Oh, that's wow.
Hot.
Real hot, baby.
But tasty.
Okay.
Trisha is a robot.
No.
There is no Trisha.
No, it's Trish.
Trish is software. There's nothing human about this place.
Oh, honey.
It's all a robot.
Stop, they're human.
Next, a bucket and a hot chocolate. Anything else?
Grab it.
Okay. You did it. Really?